gonna have to kill me.
Unlock
if y'all hurt my son in the process,
you're trying to use him as a shield.
I'm not using my child as a shield at all. No! Oh, y'all got my son.
The incident that nearly took the life of a 1-year-old occurred on December 11, 2024, when officers from the Bay City Department of Public Safety responded to the 1100 block of N. Jackson St. regarding a subject wanted for violating the condition of his bond.
You know about the bond conditions, right?
Yes, I do know about it.
So
I didn't violate my bond.
You did, though.
No, I didn't.
Okay, so listen, it was.
I've been at my end.
Listen.
I didn't violate my bond.
You were here earlier today.
No, I wasn't. I know my bond conditions.
Right.
They say I can't be at her address.
Yep.
Which is
correct.
Correct. My aunt stays 2 doors down. I had no contact with her.
Okay, listen.
They dropped my son off to my aunt.
Yelling isn't gonna help.
Okay, well, y'all trying to say I violated my bond, and I did it.
The suspect, identified as 23-year-old Ishwan Langston, claimed to be visiting his aunt, who lives 2 floors down from his ex-wife. An investigation is ongoing to verify his statement's truthfulness. However, things take a tragic turn when he refuses to get out of the vehicle.
You said what?
We're gonna break your window and drag you out of the car unless you unlock the door right now.
Bro?
I told you, you're under arrest.
Alright, I hope y'all ready for that, bro, because y'all kicked my window in. I'm not going down. It's gonna be more than just a resistance of arrest, bro.
No.
Y'all gonna have to take me out in a body bag, I promise you.
Just unlock the
car.
Y'all gonna have to kill me.
Unlock it.
Y'all gonna have to kill me. Y'all better run my record. Y'all gonna have to kill me. I'm gonna do something to one of y'all.
Unlock the car right now.
I'm gonna do something to
Unlock it right now. Unlock the car.
Put the kid down.
After knowing that officers could break through the window, he begins to get his son to the front, aiming to use him as a shield to avoid getting arrested. The officers were left with no other choice but to create a plan to get suspect out of the vehicle while ensuring the safety of 1-year-old child.
Scott, can you get your car behind him and block him in any way? You guys, all of you guys need to go inside right now. Okay? You got a punch?
Can you do a back window, please, with my
we're working on it, man.
Oh, so y'all finna kick my window in with my son?
You're going to jail, yes.
With my son?
Yes.
Alright, bro, I promise.
Because you're putting your son in danger right now. Last chance, hey.
You're telling me I've been in her house.
You were.
How have I been in her house?
We talked to the witnesses.
You
were
guys
there.
came earlier.
Okay?
I'm gonna break your window. Are you gonna unlock the door, yes or no? I'm about to break your window. Are you gonna unlock the door or I'm gonna smash your window open?
You don't have a choice, Ishan. There's nothing to listen to. We're done. Put your child down and open the door. Open the door.
Can you just listen?
No.
Open the door, yes or no?
Like literally.
The officers repeatedly warned the suspect to exit the car, but he adamantly refused. Despite being unaware of the pocket knife the suspect was holding, continued their efforts to extract the suspect from the vehicle.
Have Scott do it.
Scott, do it?
Yeah.
Hey, do it on your side.
Do it on your side, because the kid's over here.
Unlock it! Unlock it!
Unlock it! Unlock it!
Hey. All right, hit it. Hit the window. Hit the window. Tase him!
Tase him! Tase him!
Pop this one too. Pop this window. Put your arm. Stop!
It's gone! I will get it myself! He's not there!
Grab it.
Oh, y'all got my son! Bitch!
So I can turn the car off.
Grab my baby! Grab my baby! Grab my baby! Oh, y'all got my son! Get up! Get up! Ah, fuck! Oh, shit!
I think I'm stabbed.
I'm stabbed!
So am I.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, 321, get medical here now. I think we're...
You got lock your car.
That's my car.
Ishwan Langston was later charged with resisting arrest, assaulting a police officer, assault with a deadly weapon, and attempted murder. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.